it just looks cool. This suitcase is just a good looking suitcase. You see? I've used it several times and it holds its shape. It's very light. So this is what I love about this. Sometimes you have suitcases that you buy them and as it is, they're already heavy. But this one is ultra light, which means that you can put more stuff in. Because, you know, every ounce, when it comes to luggage, every ounce counts. So now let's open it so that I can show you. Let me show you first this one. So you see what's cool about this is that, and let's see if you can see it. You see, you can put a security. It has safety mesh, like you can put a combination lock in there, right? And then you can secure it when if you decide. I mean, I use this mostly like as a carry-on. But if you decide to take it, to put it in the luggage or in the luggage compartment down, right? Like check it in. Then it has this security measure where you can put this. It has this sturdy lock right here. You put this in here, boom, you lock it up, put the combination, and then you're set, which is excellent, right? So it comes with it already. And let's look inside. Let's take a look inside. So now we open it up real nice, and this is the inside. Look at the inside, and this is how it looks inside. Really nice. You see? It has this compartment, right? This pocket right here, where you can put like dirty socks and stuff like that. It has the straps. If you put a suit there, you want to keep it in place. It has the strap to keep everything from moving around in the suitcase. And this has another compartment here, right? Where you can put the stuff in there. These are bags that I always have. And it's very nice, right? Very, very, very nice. So, yeah. Super recommended. Sturdy, light, and well, it just looks cool. So, hey, happy